Hey everyone, it's Zane. Welcome back to True Not Trials. Today I'm taking you with me on a peaceful morning walk along the Halifax waterfront, one of the absolute favorite spots here in Nova Scotia. It's around 11 a.m. right now. It's a little chilly, but the sky is clear. Honestly, perfect weather for a walk by the harbor. We are right in the heart of downtown Halifax, and this is like one of the longest urban waterfront boardwalk in the world, stretching over 4 kilometers. As I start walking, you can really feel the mix of city energy and the fresh ocean air. Yeah, it's pretty quiet right now. You can hear my footsteps on the wooden boardwalk and few seagulls off in the distance. The street lamp leaning out over the water give the place that classic maritime vibe. And if you look across the harbor, that's a Dartmouth, with a mix of older buildings and those newer glass towers. No matter what time of year it is, there's always something special about this place. Up ahead, that small island you see, that's George's Island. It's a National Historic Site right in the middle of Halifax Harbour. If you look closely, you can spot the white lighthouse and some of the old fort structure on the top. This island played a big role in the coastal defense and immigration history, and today it's one of the coolest viewpoints in the city. On sunny day like this, the reflection of water looks absolutely amazing. Coming up now is one of my favorite pieces of public art on the waterfront, the bent light poles. They almost look like they are dancing, twisting, and curving like ocean waves. It's such a fun and playful spot, and it really shows how art blends in the city here. You'll always see people stopping for photos, and honestly, it's hard not to smile when you walk past this. So, as we keep moving, you can really see how much the waterfront has changed over the years. There are modern condos, restaurants, and office buildings right next to old maritime warehouses and classic red brick buildings. It's such a cool contrast, right? Halifax growth mixed with its seafaring history. And look at those reflections of the skyline on the calm water. Right here is one of the most meaningful landmarks on the waterfront, the volunteer sculpture. It was created in 2017 by Marlene Hilton for the Halifax Women's History Society. This monument honors the women who volunteered during wartime, the nurses, caregivers, and community leaders, whose work often did not get the recognition it deserved. The details are here really powerful. You can feel both the strength and the compassion in this place. So, finally, that's our today's morning walk along the Halifax waterfront. If you enjoyed the walk, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to True Not Trails for more peaceful walk and outdoor adventures across Canada. So, thank you so much. I'm Zane. See you later. Bye.